We Dongguan BOFA Lighting Company is a leading manufacturer professionally producing all kinds of decorative LED bulbs, vintage LED lamps, soft flexible LED lamps, and etc. We have more than 20 years light bulbs and lamps manufacturing experience. We have 2 factories, totally 40,000 square meters, 660 workers, including 8 engineers, 32 QC workers. We have 14 advanced automatic production line, special glass producing shop, 6 automatic life testing lines, 2 automatic glass bulb washing machine, and ECT. We can produce about 5 million PCS LED bulbs per month. We have ISO 90001 and ISO 14001 certificate and ERP factory managing system. We have almost all the certificates for our products over the world, such as Energy Star, UL, ETL, FCC, CE, ROHS, SAA, etc.